So I've developed a number of tools that just continue to grow. They have to do with administering the system. And some of them are useful, some of them are duplication, but some of them are really helpful. For example, uh, creating a user, you could do that in the portal easy enough, but having it in a tool set along with these other tools is very helpful. Being able to list the task of tasks that are open in the system is also pretty helpful. Provider conversations have to do with if you're using Twilio or you're using some third party SMS apps, chat apps, and you want to just kind of track the conversations that the system has had through those channels, you'll find you'll need some custom tools. Making an agent available, now that's very useful. Supervisor can't do that easily. So being able to select an agent and make them available is very, very helpful. Quick Connects. If you take a look at Quick Connects, we were able to, let's look for a user. What it's going to do is it's going to go out there, it's going to find that user, it's going to bring back the user ID. If you're configuring a contact flow and you want to set, for example, the working queue to be an agent, you're going to need their user ID. So that's one good way to get it. And then maybe you want to just delete an existing Quick Connect. What I've done here first is let's go just check and see if a Quick Connect exists for that user. As you can see here, we actually created, so searching for the user and then figuring out whether they have a Quick Connect or not. So here we've gone ahead and we've created it. And you can go ahead and delete that Quick Connect. But we just created it, so why would we do that? But we'll probably want to assign it to a queue. And so at this point, the tool is going to go out, it's going to pull back a list of all of the queues that exist in the system. If you got a large system, it's going to be important because you might want to select an individual queue. Or you might want to select all the queues. And so this just enables you to get around. And all of these tools were built using the SDK. So hope you have found this of some value, and I thank you for viewing.